How to post longer stories on your Instagram app. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to post 60-second story on your Instagram. So all what you wanna do is very simple actually. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks, and now go to the Wi-Fi right here. After you click on Wi-Fi, now you have to disable it and enable it again. After that, you have to open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to the search bar in the top and search for Instagram like this. Now, all what you wanna do is click on this option so you can get the latest update of Instagram and you will get the longer stories feature. Don't forget to like, subscribe.